How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th and subject looking around environmental studies in the chapter number 19. And chapter name is A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. In that main one, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. Which animals were used in olden times for farming? A. Horses, B. Bullocks, C. Elephants, and D. Camels. Answer is option B. Bullocks. Number 2. Which implement is used to plow a field? A. A sowing implement, B. A spade, C. A plow, and D. A flatboard. Answer is option C. A plow. Number 3. Which implement is used to harvest crop? A. An axe, B. A spade, C. A crowbar, D. A sickle. Answer is option D. A sickle. Number 4. What is the special dish prepared with various vegetables and spices cooked in an upside down pot during winter known as? A. Sambaro, B. Bhattu, C. Desi Undiyu means Ubadiyu, D. Olo. Answer is option C. Desi Undiyu, Umbadiyu. Number 5. Which crop is known for producing cotton cloth? A. Cluster beans, B. Sugarcane, C. Jute, and D. Cotton. Answer is option D. Cotton. Number 6. On which festival is it a custom to eat undiyu and jalebi? A. Sarat Poonam, B. Dashera, C. Uttarayan, and D. Janmashtami. Answer is option C. Uttarayan. Number 7. Due to the excessive use of which fertilizer does the constitution of soil get spoiled? A. Fertilizer of oily seeds, B. Chemical fertilizer, C. Cow dung fertilizer, and D. Organic fertilizer. Answer is option B. Chemical fertilizer. Now see main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. A person who farms is known as a blanks. Answer is a farmer. A person who farms is known as a farmer. Number 2. Damji stored good quality seeds of Damji stored good quality seeds for farming in a dry blanks coated with a mud. Answer is a bottle gourd. To protect number 3. To protect grains from insects, blanks leaves are kept in them. Answer is a neem. Number 4. To make desi undiyu, vegetables with spices are kept in an inverted blanks which is then put on coals and allowed to cook. Answer is a earthen pot. Number 5. Blanks is obtained from cotton pods from which cloth is made. Answer is a cotton. Cotton is obtained from cotton pods from which cloth is made. Number 6. If you want to eat fresh green vegetables, you have to wait for the blank season. Answer is a winter. If you want to eat fresh green vegetables, you have to wait for the winter season. Now see the next page. Number 7. Blanks are made from rivers to provide water for irrigations of field. Answer is canals. Canals are made from rivers to provide water for irrigations of fields. Number 8. To protect the crops from blanks, pesticides are sprayed on them. Answer is insects. To protect the crops from insects, pesticides are sprayed on them. See the main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. A plant grows out of a seed. True, right. Number 2. Once the crop is ripe, it is harvested with a spade. Wrong, false. Number 3. Organic farming is excellent for the health of human beings. True, right. Number 4. Only chemical fertilizers must be used in fields to grow grains. Wrong, false. Number 5. Earthworms make the soil fertile. True, right. Number 6. We should use various grains in our food. True, right. Number 7. Hasmukh Bhai kept up Damji Bhai's traditional method of farming. False, wrong. Now see the main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see column A. Number 1. To get water out of a well. Number 2. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer. Number 3. To get water for irrigation from rivers. Number 4. Organic farming. Now see column B. Number 1. Fertility of soil increases in the long run. Number 2. Canals. Number 3. Seeds can be stored. Number 4. Motor pumps. Number 5. Fertility of soil decreases in the long run. Now see number 1. To get water out of well, match with the fourth one, motor pumps. Number 2. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers, match with the number 5. Fertility of soil decreases in the long run. Number 3. To get water for irrigation from rivers, match with the canals. Number 4. Organic farming, match with the fertility of soil increases in the long run. Now see main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. See the question number 1. From which grains are rotis made in your home? Answer is rotis are made from wheat in my home. Now see the next page. Question number 2. From which grains can rotlas be made? Answer is rotlas can be made from the flour of bajra, jowar and maize, corn. Now see the question number 3. In your house, what is done to protect grains and pulses from insects? Answer is in my house, grains and pulses are coated with castor oil and neem leaves or mercury tablets are kept with them to protect them from insects. See the question number 4. How did Damji Bhai store seeds for next year's crop? Answer is Damji Bhai stored the seeds for next year's crop in dried bottle gourd which was coated with a mud. See the question number 5. What is enjoyed along with desi undiyu umbadiyu? Answer is hot bajra rotlas freshly cooked on the chulha. Homemade butter, ghee and buttermilk are enjoyed with desi undiyu umbadiyu. See the question number 6. What is the advantage of ploughing the ground with the help of a tractor? Answer is it takes many days to plough the ground with bullocks, but with the help of a tractor, this work is done within a day. See the question number 7. Name 2 festivals related to farming. Answer is Asadi Bij, Lohri means Lahni, Holi, Baisakhi, Onam, Diwali, etc. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.